Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you have to select your preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap Start, then select your location, tap Next, then agree with user agreement, tap Next, then agree with privacy terms, tap Next, then read and agree above privacy terms, tap Next, tap Next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up your device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have to disable all of the Google services here, but accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set unlock method, but you can just skip this step and do this later in settings, or don't do this at all. Then you can update system automatically or just install manually. Then select navigation mode. You can select 3 buttons navigation or gesture navigation. And congratulations, your phone has been set up. Use now. So that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you find this tutorial useful. Hit the like button and so on.